if you have an old handle in wood and there is almost no lacquer or paint on it, you just take sandpaper and get rid of it. I don't have much lacquer on it, but it's gonna take some time. Just to get into the wood. But when I get into the wood, we're going to give it some oil. As I said, this is gonna take some time. Because of the lacquer is pretty thick. What's left? I just get some sandpaper and just get rid of the rest of the paint. It's not much left, but you see most of it is wood, and we just got this paint to get rid of. And we have to get rid of it even if you're gonna make a new lacquer on the handle, but I'm just gonna get rid of the paint so I can give it some oil. You see, I'm just using sandpaper to get rid of the old paint. And I'm not gonna get boring with just me using sandpaper to get rid of it. So I'm gonna cut it here, and I'm just gonna get rid of the last paint. And when I've done that, I'm gonna make a new video that I just insert it with oil.